Choosing the best baby swing can be a delightful yet daunting task for new parents. With so many options available, it's important to find the right one that suits your baby's needs and your lifestyle. Here are some essential tips to guide you in making the best choice. First, consider the swing's safety features. Look for a sturdy frame, a secure harness system, and a wide base to prevent tipping. Safety should always be your top priority. Next, think about the swing's motion. Some babies prefer a gentle side-to-side sway, while others enjoy a more vigorous front-to-back motion. Test different swings to see which motion your baby finds most soothing. Pay attention to the swing's speed settings. A swing with multiple speed options allows you to adjust the motion to your baby's mood and comfort level. This flexibility can be a lifesaver during fussy times. Consider the swing's size and portability. If space is limited, opt for a compact, foldable model that can be easily stored or transported. This is especially useful for families on the go. Look for additional features that can enhance your baby's experience. Many swings come with built-in music, nature sounds, or toys to keep your little one entertained. These extras can provide added stimulation and comfort. Don't forget to check the swing's weight limit. Ensure it can accommodate your baby as they grow, so you can use it for as long as possible. Finally, read reviews and ask for recommendations from other parents. Their experiences can provide valuable insights into the swing's performance and durability. Remember, the best baby swing is one that meets your baby's needs and fits seamlessly into your lifestyle. Take your time, do your research, and trust your instincts to find the perfect swing for your little one.